In just one night, Pakistan shocked the world, dropped 6 Indian jets, including a Rafale, and flipped the balance of air power in South Asia. Here's how it happened. On the night between May the 6th and 7th, while the world slept, the skies over South Asia lit up with the most intense air battle the region has seen in decades. 42 Pakistani jets went head-to-head with 72 Indian aircraft in a high-speed dogfight that ended with 6 Indian fighters, including the pride of the Indian Air Force, the French-made Rafale, crashing down. It wasn't just a tactical win. It was a message loud and clear to the world. Pakistan's Air Force isn't just regional. It's now seen as a global defense partner. Islamabad's military diplomacy went into overdrive. Foreign embassies requested briefings. Countries like Turkey, Malaysia, and Azerbaijan extended invitations for joint air drills. What made this even more extraordinary? The star of the show wasn't an American F-16, it was China's J-10C. This jet, flown by Pakistani pilots, outmaneuvered Indian fighters with blistering speed. Long-range missiles and AI-powered radar that jammed enemy systems like a ghost in the sky. Defense analysts are calling it a textbook case of cost-effective air dominance. And for the first time, Pakistan's strategy, built on local adaptation and electronic warfare, rattled a much larger foe. J-10C didn't just survive, it dominated, so much so that even Gulf countries are now eyeing partnerships with Pakistan. This wasn't just a dogfight, it was a masterclass in defense strategy, tech integration, and geopolitical signaling. From Washington to Riyadh, defense experts are watching closely, because in a world where the next war might be won in the skies, Pakistan just rewrote the rules. And for the first time, the world didn't just see Pakistan as a buyer, but as a serious frontline air power partner.